This is the Salem CSD Technology Department printing 2 prototype face shield frames for the Covid-19 virus. These are 2 different designs. Design in orange take approximately 45 minutes to complete, and it's a very simplistic design, almost like a safety glass type of frame with a very simple plastic shield. The one printing in blue is supposed to take 1 hour and 45 minutes. It has a lot more bulk to the shield and is designed to be reused. Both shields are going to be donated to help fight the COVID-19 virus.